Hi, hello, welcome to Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. Now we are going to see a new product, that is 48/60 volt, that is 1000 watt 17 inch hub motor for the bike kind of application. In our previous video we are showing the complete setup for Scooty Activa kind of things, that is 10 inch hub motor. So with this same hub motor we are newly setting for the 17 inch. Actually the rim should be 17 inch rim that we are connected with this help of spokes. Okay, so for this motor we having the availability of 16 inch, 17 inch as well as 18 inch. We are providing the solutions. 16 inch is especially used for TVS XL Super kind of applications. So 17 inch and 18 inch can be used for the Splendor, Passion Pro or the larger bike or something like that, that we are helps to convert your vehicle to electrical. So that kind of applications we are using for 17 and 18 inches. Okay, so in this video especially 17 inch that we are making. This is the first brand new the Venido make. Previously we are giving the video for 10 inch Scooty motor, same Venido make, this same hub motor. We have just created this 17 inch according to the bike kind of applications. We can use it, the same accessories that we are providing, and we can test this hub motor, how much speed can be achieved in this hub motor. It's a dual voltage hub motor. We can work on 48 volt and as well as 60 volt we can use. Okay, so in this video we having three segments. So first one will be the total accessories that we are providing, that I am showing what are all the accessories is coming along this kit. So second will be the connection video, what are all the types of connections that we have made already, and we try to show each and every connections. So third thing will be the demo. We have connected with 48 volt battery and how much speed it can be achieved, and as well as 60 volt we can test and give you the live kilometer achieved. Okay, so let's go into the video. So this is the pure copper winding motor coming with Venido make 48/60 1000 watts hub motor. So this is the 10 inch hub motor. So we have connected the holes and we are fixing the rim. This is the quality of the rim should be very good quality. So and also we have connected the spokes together and we have made this 17 inch. So our engineers are well versed on doing these kinds of the rim attachment that we can taken care by ourselves. We having our own team to fit all those kinds of rim size. So for this 16, 17 and 18 inch can be possible with this 10 inch hub motor. So whatever may be the hub motor, 6 inch also we else to convert it for the cycle kind of applications also we are yet into converting. So if you want to convert your cycle hub motor to larger wheel also, it will be possible for us to convert. So if you want you can contact us. Okay, so this is the Venido make. So this is one main setup that we are giving. So second thing will be the controller, CY brand controller, so that we are providing the 30 ampere current rating, 48/60 1000 watts sine wave controller. This is the regenerative controllers, so advanced model. Okay, so later on we can showing the wiring. So this is the box connector we are giving along with this, the box 5-pin box connector. So and this is the DC MCB 40 amps. So once any trip short circuit will happens, this MCB will turn off. Okay, for this, and this will be the key switch that we are giving along with this kit. And speedometer, it is a fully digital speedometer. All functions are in 1 meter it will be available. Speed, kilometer, total kilometer driven, headlight, side indicator, parking, everything will be shown here. So this is the branded of CVZ. Okay, so next we are giving the drum brake assembly for the drum kind of motor. So this is actually the drum motor. So we are giving this drum brake assembly with shoe attachment. So next thing will be the DC to DC converter. This will convert your voltage to 12 volt, 48 or 60 to 12 volt, the 10 amps rating. Okay, coming with CY brand. So on the next thing will be the charging socket. Previously we are giving only one side. Now from this kit we are providing the two side, one from battery, one for charger. Okay, that we are providing. And the final thing will be the 3-speed throttle with forward reverse. This motor will be achieving on 3-speed as well as forward and reverse. Okay, for this we are providing the 3-speed throttle. Okay, so these are all the accessories is coming along with this kit. So if you want, you can if you want any additional accessories also, we can support you. So this itself, it is enough to convert your vehicle to electrical or hybrid models. Okay, let's move on to the connection. So coming to the connection, so once from the hub motor, there is one larger wire is coming. Usually in our every video we are showing this. So one side of wires will be the 3 wires are coming out, that is yellow, blue and green. This yellow, blue and green is connected to parallel to the controller, that is coming yellow to yellow, blue to blue and green to green. And this two will be the power supply connection. Red will be the positive and the green and the black will be the negative. And for this, the supply is taken from with the help of MCB. The DC input will be in the top and the output should be directly given to the red color wire, and this will be the negative. It is directly coming from the battery. So coming to the throttle connection, the key switch, there is 2 set of wires we have in the key switch. Actually the one wire is directly coming from supply. Okay, one wire is directly coming from supply, and the second wire is directly going to in the controller. There is one orange wire is there, you can connect in the orange wire. Okay, there is 2 set of wire connections are going on, one to the key switch and other to speedometer positive. Okay, what else in this thing now, what is happening now, once we put this once we on this key switch, then only the supply goes to the speedometer, or otherwise if we connect directly to the supply now, once we get turn on, the speedometer is getting on. So for that kind of applications, once we turn on this switch, then only the speedometer will be turned on. So based on that we have connected this connection. So coming to the throttle connection, throttle you already known previous video. So we have connected the 3 wires, that is 3 set of wires are coming. So first one for acceleration, this red, green and black. Red, green and black is connected together, red to red, green to green and black to black. So this blue color connector will be the 3-speed mode. So this is connected to green to green, brown to brown, black to white and pink to blue. Okay, pink to blue. So and third thing will be the forward and reverse connection. This is blue to yellow and black to violet. Okay, is the 3 set of connection. Coming to the speedometer connection, in this speedometer there is 5 wires are coming out. That orange color wire from the positive is directly going to the supply. This yellow color will be the supply. You kindly note it down, this is the color code. Yellow color will be the positive, green one will be the neutral and the speed sensor wire will be the red. Speed sensor will be the red. So we have connected that orange wire to yellow, so that is positive, and negative supply to this green, and we have connected the red wire to speed sensing. I will tell you later where it is going. Okay, so this blue color, dark blue color will be the headlight. It is going to headlight, and the light blue color, light sky blue color is going to indicator, left indicator, and this orange wire is going to right indicator. Light blue to left indicator, is orange to right indicator. Okay, so now this speed sensor wire is going to, in the controller, you can see one pink wire is coming with green color one connector. You can connect directly to them. This is the speed sensor wire, we can directly connect. So now we can going for a demo. So once we turn on this supply, so in the speedometer it can be showing 52.1 volt. Speedometer we can showing 52.1, and the kilometer should be 0. Okay, this is the dual type speedometer. Once we can raise the throttle, it goes to the next screen and it shows the total kilometer. This is the dual type of speedometer, and it also shows the headlight display, headlight indication, left and right indications. Okay, so now we can apply the 52 volt input, and we can apply for the speed of there is 3 speed. We can put it in the first speed and we can make it in the forward mode. Okay, and we can raise the accelerations. So maximum. So now you can see the speedometer, the voltage is changed to the total kilometer that is being driven here. So this is the kilometer will be achieved in the first speed. So normally 37 kilometer can be achieved in the 48 volt first speed. Okay, now we can apply second speed, the same we can apply second speed. Now you can see the meter, see the motor will be very smoothing. See in the meter is getting 48 volt, 48 kilometer can be achieved, the second speed itself. Okay, so now we can apply the third speed, and let's come for testing. Okay, the maximum 48 kilometer can be achieved, because we have directly connected it into a table. That's why the shake will comes. If you are fitted in the two-wheeler, it is only 100% suitable to you. For the demo purpose, it will be very difficult to carry 48 kilometers together. If you connect to your vehicle, the speed can be achieved. So this is the no load speed, either plus or minus 5 kilometer can be less according to your vehicle models. So maximum it can be achieved. So we can put it in the reverse direction. We having only one speed can be achieved. So now let's check the speed also for the reverse mode. So in the speedometer, maximum 20 kilometer will be achieved in the 20 kilometer will be achieved in the reverse direction, 48 volt. Okay, see the motor will be very smoothly. Okay, now we can change the voltage to 60 volt, and we can see how much it can be running in the kilometers. Okay, so now we have connected the battery 62 volt as an input voltage. Now we can give in the throttle and see how much kilometer can be achieved. Okay, so in the throttle we have first speed, we can put it in the forward. Now let's we can accelerate and tell you how much kilometer it can be achieved. maximum in the first speed itself you can get maximum 44 kilometers. In the speedometer maximum 44 kilometers can get in the first speed itself. Okay, it will be very smooth. So now we can change the second speed, and we can put it in the forward. Now let's see the speed. So maximum 56 kilometer can be achieved. Okay, the table will be very shaking, so I am just slightly reducing the acceleration. So maximum 57 kilometers can be achieved in that second speed itself. So we can connect it in the third speed. We can change it to third speed and put it in the forward mode, and we can accelerate. So maximum you can see the voltage, the speedometer, you can get maximum 57 kilometers. Get maximum 57 kilometer can be achieved. The second and third speed, the maximum, the similar speed can be achieved. We can put it in the reverse mode and we can see how much speed it can goes. So in the speedometer maximum 25 km per hour can be achieved in the reverse speed. While we are connecting 48 volt, we can achieve 20 km. In the 60 volt, we can get 25 km. Okay. So this is the speciality of this dual voltage hub motor. You can change it to 48 or either 60 volt. Okay. So if you want, kindly you can inquire us. We can give you the proper solutions how to connect and all. So the three things can be achieved while you are going to change your vehicle to a hybrid. First thing will be the conversion kit, second thing will be the battery, and third thing will be the help of mechanic, or either you can do the connection as per the you can convert your vehicle to your own. Okay, if your these three factors can be accepted, then only you can going to connect you are going to change your vehicle to fully electrical, normal vehicle to fully electrical. So we are providing only the solutions to we are actually dealing the kits only. Okay, so we are not dealing the battery actually. So many of the inquiries are coming for battery also. So we are giving the battery dealer number. You can directly buy from them because it can be achieved the very good quality. So you should be concentrate on the quality wise of lithium batteries. So if you are in your area it is getting a lesser price, so I won't recommend that kind of batteries. So you can make use of the high quality of the battery. So and the third thing will be the mechanic. If you are in the Coimbatore, we can really support you to help out for the mechanic. Once those who are buying the kit from us, we are providing the mechanic. So if you want, you can contact us. Hope this video it's getting useful. So kindly subscribe to our video, kindly share to your friend circle, so then only the video can be helpful to many of the people. So thank you, thanks for watching.